We believe the unique features of our home is where there are less sharp edges. My name is Zad and I am the proud owner of this house. Our interior designer is Chapter 13 Interior Design. The renovation cost was approximately around $50,000. The theme of our house is a fusion of Muji and Scandinavian. Our vision of a home has always been just a place that we can relax with our loved ones. When we met our interior designer Stella, we specifically told her that we wanted the house to have a soft Muji feel. So the color palettes has to be on the softer side, like a warm yellow and brown. And we also wanted to ensure that there are no sharp corners in the house. Their workmanship is something that we are always very happy of. The quality of the materials they use are pretty decent and of a high-grade premium quality, knowing that we can trust them with the renovation process. We believe the unique features of our home is where there are less sharp edges. So we specifically wanted to ensure that there are curved features around the house. We couldn't be happier with the results that came out of the renovation. In fact, when we actually took photos of the house and we compared it with the 3D illustration, it looks the same. So we were very happy with what was promised along with the quality workmanship. So we were very happy with Stella and Chapter 13 Interior Design. Thank you for watching. Visit Renopedia for more information.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.